Yeah, man. Hey, I'm wearing my coat because I'm kind of feeling it right now. In this video, two great supporters put $50 up each if I could get a brilliant move. I've been working on this for like a freaking week, okay? We check every game afterwards. Every game's like a scratch off. And if I get the brilliant move, I get $100, okay? One of them's recurring, so like if I get another brilliant move today on stream, I get another 50. It's freaking ridiculous, man. The support is awesome. So to set this up, this is the last round of the tournament. I'm playing for first place. I end up losing in a three-way tie for first. I get third on tie breaks. That's fine. None of that matters. But in that last game of the tournament, with all the stress and everything, that's when the magic happens. Hey, be sure and like the video. Follow Charlie Sardo Gaming. That'd be a big help, man. If you're on YouTube, go ahead and subscribe, like the video. Come by the live stream, man. Say hello. And if you don't catch me live, there's replays. And there's stuff on YouTube as well. Charlie Sardo Gaming. Man, I freaking love you guys. Check out the video. I hope you like it. Oh, my God. Man, that was a great game. Let's check this one. I don't know if Dave's checked this one yet, but we're going to do the Brilliant Move Challenge. We're going to check it. And if I get the brilliant move, I get the money. Bishop D6. I freaking did it, guys. I got the freaking brilliant move. I got the brilliant move. I got the brilliant move, guys. I got the freaking brilliant move. Guys, I did the brilliant move challenge, man.